Mec. L'important c'est de rester en vie.
That shit was a waste, man, but wait, I stopped the facing, cause shit just started racing, but wait, it opened gates, and it shit just stopped parading, oh, like we out the basement, on one floor where it's vacant, she feeling anxious to be out where it's dangerous, okay, love out the chains, it especially I bang it, okay, Jamaican Spanglish, she mixed up in the language, hey, back that wipe me drain, and just have it if you singing, okay, fuck that bird, can she just need something.
Putain, la POV est vraiment hyper stylée.
I put you in that altitude, okay? It's still like madness, do I put you in that magnitude, okay? I ain't basic pussy, I'm not tryna embarrass you, okay? I got a lavish crew, me chase the rocket, did it, drew me busy trap, I'm not a rapper, a lot I do, a lot I chew, a film director, helter skelter, off the hustle like it's juice. Let's go, yeah! 12-figure state plan, that was the escape plan, but I ain't investigating, that shit was a waste, man, but wait, I stopped the facing, cause shit just started racing, but wait, it opened gates, and it shit just stopped parading, oh, like we out the basement, on one floor where it's vacant, she feeling anxious to be out where it's dangerous, get the body chains, it especially I bang it, okay, Jamaican.
Oh, c'est un glacier. Ouah, modifié Brabus.
I can't revert, we excursion, them 7 C's, I drop her off at Turks. If it's static, then I'm having 50, drop them off at church. Up early, rolling up a Benny. She just wanna taste the candy, probably soaking up her panties. Nasty when she off the bust a move on Marco Angie. I just went and bought a planet, now that shit was never planted. Yeah, 12-figure state plan, that was the escape plan, but I ain't investigating. That shit was a waste, I stopped the facing, cause shit just started racing, but wait, it opened gates, and it shit just stopped parading, oh, like we out the basement, on one floor where it's vacant, she feeling anxious to be out where it's dangerous.
On continue à monter, hein. Je sais pas, pour la descente.
A celebration of.
So this shit
Oh, le bruit.
crazy.
A celebration of existence.
Yo, was gonna reach out to you right now, but I just CBA with the stress. Don't even put it on your mum's life. All that's promised in life is death. Didn't wanna break your heart, but if you want, I'll say it with chest. I go so hard, I'm D&D, cause I can't be broken low like them. It was that deep, me in the backseat thinking, yo, let's get them guys. K got locked just recently, and now it got me thinking twice. Only right that I got me a wife. When I'm single, I cannot focus, yo. You man feel outspoken, me I just feel like I can't be open. Each and every one of us got motion, so our dependence gonna be frozen. You man talk freely about me when I'm there. The energy different, if I bail you I hear excuses. If you bail me I'm there in an instant. There ain't no cheat codes to the success, just gotta grind and stay consistent. Yo, every day for me is the start of the week. Gotta rise up, get this P. Yo, for everyone else,
Ça marche dans l'avion et tout. Parce qu'à Bakou en soi, je sais pas si je vais beaucoup. That side. Yeah, you just take the stairs.
Break your heart, but if you want, I'll say it with chest. I go so hard, I'm D&D, cause I can't be broken low like them. Recently, my anger been getting out of hand. Didn't ask for a helping hand, and as a result, I'm counting back. Big man when I act so bad, but when I hopped out, it's doing